So, you've got an 800 T610 or T1100, and you're wondering if there's a way to squeeze more life and performance out of it. Well, this might just be the answer you've been looking for. We're talking about a specific hard drive upgrade designed to be compatible with these particular models, and the promise is a significant boost in speed and responsiveness. It's not every day you find an upgrade path that's so clearly defined for older, yet still capable, hardware. The core idea here is simple: replace the existing storage with something faster. While the exact specifications of the drives themselves aren't detailed in the provided information, the implication is that these are designed to slot right in and work seamlessly with the 800 T610 and T1100 systems. This is crucial because compatibility can be a real headache with older tech. You don't want to buy something only to find out it's not recognized or causes system instability. The fact that these are marketed as applicable to these specific models suggests a level of assurance that should put minds at ease. What does this translate to in real-world use? Imagine faster boot times, applications loading in a fraction of the time, and smoother multitasking. For anyone still relying on these machines for work or even personal use, that kind of performance uplift can make a huge difference. It's like giving your trusty old companion a new lease on life. Instead of feeling sluggish and outdated, these systems could feel surprisingly spry. Of course, the NAN in the description is a bit of a mystery, but in the context of tech specs, it often signifies not a number or not applicable, which can sometimes be a placeholder or indicate a missing detail. However, given the clear statement of applicability to the 800 T610 and T1100 hard drives, it's likely not a deal-breaker. The key takeaway is the intended compatibility. The real value here lies in the potential to extend the useful life of your existing hardware. Upgrading the hard drive is often one of the most impactful and cost-effective ways to improve performance on older computers. It avoids the expense and hassle of a full system replacement while delivering tangible benefits. If you're on the fence about whether to upgrade your 800 T610 or T1100, this hard drive solution presents a compelling case for doing just that. It's a straightforward path to a faster, more efficient computing experience. Ultimately, for owners of the 800 T610 and T1100, this hard drive upgrade appears to be a solid and practical choice for breathing new life into their systems, offering a noticeable performance boost without requiring a complete overhaul.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.